Welcome to our guide on making money online through content creation for social media. If you're ready to transform your creativity into a profitable venture, stay tuned. Content creation involves crafting engaging materials like posts, videos, and graphics for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Example, a graphic designer creating eye-catching Instagram posts for a fashion brand. Businesses use content to connect with their audience and promote their products. Example, a cafe might need a monthly package of posts and stories to showcase their new menu items. Options include graphic designs, promotional videos, blog posts, and more. Example, creating tutorial videos for a makeup brand's YouTube channel. Combine different content types into packages, like a starter pack with posts, stories, and a promotional video. Example, offering a social media starter pack for small businesses new to online marketing. Specializing in a niche helps attract specific clients, like focusing on content for real estate agencies. Example, specializing in creating virtual tour videos for real estate listings. Showcase your work on platforms like Instagram or LinkedIn and use networking to find potential clients. Example, sharing your portfolio on a personal website like yournamecontentcreator.com and connecting with business owners in Facebook groups. Start by identifying what you love creating, research the market, and begin building your content package offerings. Remember, consistency and quality are key to standing out in the world of social media content creation. If you're eager to explore more ways to make money online, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll be sharing more tips and strategies to help you succeed in the digital marketplace.